Welcome to Kiditation, where your heart finds a home to heal and grow. Today, we're going on a very special journey together. Sometimes, families change, and it can feel like riding a bike on a bumpy road. If your mom and dad are going through a divorce, you might feel like you're carrying the heavy backpack that no one else can see. But guess what? You're not alone on this journey. We've created this video filled with words that are like gentle hugs for your heart. These affirmations, or little whispers of kindness, are here to remind you how loved, brave, and strong you are, no matter what's happening around you. Before we start, find a cozy spot where you can snuggle up. Imagine you're wrapping yourself in a big, warm hug. Ready to let these words give your heart a gentle squeeze? Good. Let's begin, and remember, you're surrounded by love every step of the way. I am loved, no matter what happens in my family. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or confused about my parents' divorce. I can talk about my feelings. Sharing them helps me feel better. My family's love for me does not change, even when things change at home. I am not alone, others are here to support and help me. I am allowed to ask questions about what is happening. It's okay to love both of my parents, no matter where they live. Changes can be hard, but I can handle them with time. I am strong, even when things around me are tough. I deserve to be happy and have fun, no matter the situation. I can find calm and peace inside me, even when things outside are confusing. My thoughts and feelings are important and matter. I am resilient. I can grow and thrive through change. My family's love surrounds me, everywhere I go. I can create a safe and happy space in my mind, anytime I need. I am brave and can face each day with courage. I am worthy of love and care, always. I can find things to be grateful for each day. I am capable of making new friends and building my own support network. I can express my feelings through drawing, writing, or talking. I am loved deeply, beyond the stars and back. I can find light and joy in small moments. I am not responsible for my parents' divorce. I can ask for hugs when I need them and give them when I can. My feelings are a part of me, but they do not define me. I am creative and can use my imagination to find comfort. I can take one day at a time, finding peace in the present. I am surrounded by a universe that supports and cares for me. I can be kind to myself, especially on hard days. I am connected to everything in nature, which gives me strength. I can find safe places and people where I feel secure. I am part of a community that values and respects me. I can create happiness within myself, no matter the circumstances. I am a unique and valuable person, with my own gifts and talents. I can learn and grow, becoming stronger from my experiences. I am capable of adapting to new situations with grace. I have inner wisdom that guides me through difficult times. I can find moments of joy every day. I am a beacon of love and light to those around me. I can choose to focus on the positive, even when it's hard. I am deserving of peace and tranquility in my heart. I can build a circle of friends who uplift and support me. I am not defined by my family's situation. I can embrace change as an opportunity for growth. I have the power to create a joyful life for myself. I am surrounded by love, even in unexpected places. I can make a difference in the world with my kindness. I am a masterpiece in progress, always learning and evolving. I can find strength in quiet moments of reflection. I am capable of loving and being loved, just as I am. I can find beauty in life's journey, embracing all its twists and turns. I am a source of positive energy and hope. I can trust in the future, knowing I have the tools to face it bravely. I am part of a larger story, filled with endless possibilities. I can choose kindness toward myself and others, every day. I am a light in the world, shining brightly even in dark times. I can celebrate my achievements, no matter how small. I am on a journey of self-discovery, embracing every step. I can find comfort in knowing that everything changes, and this too shall pass. I am enveloped in an infinite circle of love and support. And that's a wrap, my brave and beautiful friends. You've just given your heart a big, warm hug with every word we shared today. Remember, it's okay to feel all sorts of feelings, and it's more than okay to talk about them. Just like the stars that light up the night sky, you have a bright light inside you that shines through everything. If this journey made your heart feel a little lighter, don't forget to give a thumbs up to our video. Share it with friends who might need a hug for their heart too. And, of course, subscribe to Kiditation for more heart hugs and adventures. Your support helps us spread love and light to more kids just like you. Thank you for sharing this special time with me. Until we meet again, keep your light shining bright, and remember, the Kiditation family is always here for you. Goodbye for now, and take care of that beautiful heart of yours.